आज आपण कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री मध्ये सेक्शन फॉर्म्युलाचा उपयोग करूया. तो आपण यापूर्वी सिद्ध केलेला आहे. इट इज प्रूव्ड. सो फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. What is that example? Find out coordinates of a point which is dividing the segment PQ in the ratio A is to P. So to use this formula, try to remember this diagram. If P and Q are the endpoints there and the coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2 and the ratio A point is the dividing the segment PQ in the ratio m is to n. Try to remember that mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n and other y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So let us solve the first example. For that we can draw the rough diagram. PQ is the segment there. Coordinates of P are given, coordinates of Q are given. Let the coordinates are x1, y1, this one x2, y2, and the first given A to B. The ratio A is to B given 3 is to 4. So A is to B is nothing but n is to n. So n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. We can use the formula properly. Mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Then 3 into 4 plus 4 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. By solving this side, we are getting 4 upon 7. That is your x coordinate of A. Similarly, use my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. What is that? 3 into 3, it will be 9 plus 4 into minus 5. 4 into minus 5, minus 20. By taking the difference, minus 11 upon 7. So that is y coordinate. So we are finding the answer. That was the first question. And what is the interesting second question there? We have to find out the ratio in which the point T, coordinates are given, is dividing the segment PQ. Coordinates of P and Q are given. P and Q चे निर्देशक दिलेले आहे, T चे coordinates दिलेले आहेत आणि आपल्याला रेशो फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे, गुणोत्तर शोधायचं आहे. तो सेगमेंट कुठल्या गुणोत्तरामध्ये विभागलेला आहे हे शोधायचं आहे. त्यासाठी ड्रॉ द रफ डायग्राम. आपण शांतपणाने डायग्राम इमॅजिन करायची. पी क्यू एंड पॉइंट्स आर देयर. टी इज द पॉइंट ऑन द सेगमेंट आणि coordinates of P are given right there. Coordinates of Q are given. Write the coordinates of T are given. M is to n. We are going to calculate m and n unknown there. But you can see that the first point x1, y1, second point x2, y2, and the point which is dividing the segment, we are taking that x, y coordinates are. And same formula. What is the formula there? X coordinate of T. We are using that x coordinate of A like that. So we use that x coordinate of T point is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. What is that? X coordinate minus 1. Substitute here. M into 6 right here. N into minus 3 we can write here. After that, by solving and taking the cross multiplication properly, take the cross multiplication, you are getting this equation. But this equation very interesting for you. Consider, take together like terms together. What is that? Minus m and take 6m to the left hand side. It will become minus 7m. And to the right hand side 3n negative there and minus n transfer to the right hand side. You are getting minus 2n. So change the sign of both sides. You are finding m is to n is equal to 2 upon 7. यामध्ये तुम्ही हा पार्ट जो आता सॉल्व केलेला आहे, यू आर गेटिंग द रेशो m is to n आणि इथं यू कॅन स्टॉप हियर. तुम्ही थांबू शकता. बट एनीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू टेक द y coordinate. He is also finding correct answer. त्याला सुद्धा ते उत्तर बरोबर मिळते. y coordinate of T is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Substitute y coordinate here x m into what is that y2 there, so it is minus 8. N into y1, it is 10. Minus 8m plus 10. Take the cross multiplication here. 6m plus 6m is equal to. Again try to take m terms to the left hand side, n terms to the right hand side. You are getting 14m is equal to 4n, that is m upon n is equal to 4 upon 14, that is m upon n is equal to 2 upon 7. So definitely you are finding the same answer. So in exam, if you solve this part, that is sufficient for you. You will get full credit of the question. तुम्हाला त्या प्रश्नाचं पूर्ण उत्तर त्याचे मार्क मिळू शकतील. किंवा तुम्ही y कोऑर्डिनेट विचारात घेऊन हा फॉर्म्युला वापरू शकता. या फॉर्म्युलाचा वापर कसा करायचा, त्याचं टेक्निक असं सारखं तयार करा. mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and to find out y coordinate of that a point, my2 plus ny1 divided by n plus n. या सेक्शन फॉर्म्युल्याचा प्रॅक्टिस जास्तीत जास्त करा. रफ डायग्राम काढत चला आणि यूज दॅट फॉर्म्युला y कोऑर्डिनेट आणि टू कॅल्क्युलेट x कोऑर्डिनेट. याचा सराव सर्वांनी जास्तीत जास्त करावा.